BalletBarre Releve's Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 syllabus course Jacklyn Dougherty. Face the bar 5th position, right foot front, combination. Counts 1 to 2, introduction, place hands on the bar. Counts 3 to 4, hold. Count 3 and plie on count 4. On count 1, releve in 5th. Counts 2 to 3, hold. Count 4, demi-plie. Count 5 through 12, repeat 2 more times. Count 13, saute in 1st position. Count 14, saute to 5th position with left foot front. Stretch knees on count 15. Count 16, demi-plie. Count 1 through 16, repeat all. Note: do not lean on the bar during this exercise. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.